Okay guys, welcome back to another video. And this video is going to be a little different because I have Cherry right here and I got her all cleaned up. She looks really nice now. And I have someone coming today in a couple of hours and they want to buy it. So anytime I buy an old truck, I mean there's going to be a couple keepers here and there, you know, but this one I'm selling because I got it cheap. My original plans are to get these trucks, buy them for as low as I can get them, put some 10 or 11 care into them, maybe fix them up a little if they have any issues, and sell them for more than I bought it for to make a profit so I can keep making my way up, you know, getting better and better trucks as I go. So, yep. In a couple hours, he's gonna come look at Cherry. I'm not that sure if he's gonna buy it because he might not have enough, but he says he's bringing some cash, so why not, you know? So, yep, here she is. This might be the last video that you'll see her, but if he doesn't buy her, then she'll be in a couple more videos. But the minute I posted this thing, like, I got 3 offers for like some cash, and then I got like a bunch of other people that wanted to just come look at it. Well guys, check it out. Driveway's pretty empty except for Vegas. So I sold Cherry. I know most of my subscribers are gonna be like, that's not good, but I think it's awesome because we get to go on to the next truck. Can't wait. Stay tuned. I sold it to a guy who was buying it for his son. His son is so happy. His son was sending me pictures and stuff, and he loves it. Can't wait to restore it more. So, yep. Go down below. You can read the description. And can't wait for the next one. So, see y'all later.